It's all go here in our second week of construction of Trinity's green patch. The sun has come out, which is fantastic, and the drainage lines have taken all that excess moisture away. The last pile in the patch is the decomposed granite. This is like the icing on the cake of our paved areas.
Rugby Bear directed the bobcat to spread it all around. Then jumped onto the whacker to compact it down. And finally the drum roller smooths it all out. Our favourite visitors to the patch this week was Mrs. Bowden, Hazel and Gus. Rugby Bear just loved showing them the in-ground planter beds being dug by the mini excavator. Then moved over to help Phil get the levels right on his brick edging. And along our classrooms will be blooms of flowers as part of the bee highway. And just above the flowers will sit our stingless beehive. Kindy's garden bed is also getting a freshen up with an organic veggie soil mix. Finally, our giant sandstone blocks arrived. Rugby made sure that each of the 250 kilo blocks were placed just right. Susie Hoot the chapel owl was curious to see how the construction of the living classroom was going. She was so amazed that she flew straight up to year 1 to find Green Patch Bear and Fluffy to tell them all about it. And together they invited all their furry friends from around junior school to meet them down in the patch.
The animals arrived in bucket loads and couldn't wait to hear what Fluffy and Green Patch Bear were up to. Rugby Bear assembled them all on their sandstone seating, ready for their first practice class. Rugby's first lesson was on composting techniques.
And they all agreed that they loved their living classroom.
Okay boys, now to finish off update 2, Rugby Bear and I have a challenge for you. Do you have a wheelbarrow lying around at home? Possibly not. Maybe you've got a chair on wheels. What we want you to do is set yourself up an obstacle course and practice moving around that course in a time trial. Because when you come back, you guys are going to get your wheelbarrow license and we will set up a challenge and find out who is the king of the barrow. So boys, stay safe. Can't wait to see you soon. Bye.